Are you looking for the best scratch and win app to earn money for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and many viewers on my channel have asked me about legit apps to scratch cards and win real money. And let me just reveal right away, it's not easy to find legit options like that, but I have tested a lot of options, and in this video I will share one option that I do know is legit. I will talk a little bit more about in general what you can expect from these scratch and win apps, and I will show you payment proof from the app that I am using for this, because I do know that it does pay. So let's just get to it. So before I show you inside the app, I just want to make one thing clear when it comes to scratch and win apps, because there are a lot of apps. If you, for example, go to the Google Play Store and look for scratch and win, and you can find a lot of options where you can just seemingly win really good money and just do it over and over again. But there's so many scams, and there's so many of them that are maybe not scams, but that are just a waste of time. But so you have to be really careful which options like this you are using. I have tested a lot of options because many of you have asked about it, and one app I actually already was using that has this option. I just kind of figured out that this was there, and it's a little bit hidden, and that's why I decided to record this video, because all the others I've tested that are specifically for scratching and winning, I have not been able to find any that I find worth it. So therefore I want to show you this one, because many people are not aware that this option is inside this app. So let me now log into it, show it which app it is I'm talking about, show you how to scratch and win, and then I also show you payment proof, of course. I have now logged into the app called AppKarma, and this is an app I mentioned before in other connections, because you can earn in many different ways by playing games. First of all, it is a great app for that, both playtime rewards and also by downloading games and things like that. But what many people are not aware, and what I also wasn't for a while, is that it also has a scratch option where you can win, and you can see there is this daily rewards where you can just check in daily, and then you can get different scratch cards, and the more days in a row you do it, the better scratch cards you can get. And also, if you do earn by doing other things inside the app, you can also get better scratch cards. So that's one thing to be aware of, and that's why I want to show you this, because it's a little bit hidden and many people do not know that. But by doing that, also doing these different things, you can get these scratch cards. And then I actually didn't notice this. There's like a little button called bonus there, and for some reason I kind of overlooked that for quite a while, even though I've used this app for a few years. And then if you click that, that's where you then need to, first of all, you can earn a little bit extra by watching videos there, but that's really not the best way to earn inside AppKarma. The games are way better. But then at the top, that's where you will get the scratch card when you earn them. So then I can claim it by scratching now, and then you have to watch a little ad. That is a part of it, but it's not as many ads as you will have to with most other of these scratch and win apps that I've seen. And I do know AppKarma actually does pay, but let me just let this ad run, and then I'll come back once it's over. So the ad lasted around 30 seconds or so, and then now I can first scratch, and you can see I'll get 1 times what I win there, and then I scratch the rest there, and you can see what I scratched there, and I scratched it all, and I got 5 points. So you scratch and you can win over 1,000 points. There it said that at the top, if you are lucky, of course. So you first scratch there to see how many times the reward you will get, and then you scratch and then you win. And that's how easy it is. Now there's none, but if I then wait and check in, or if I do some tasks or other tasks, I'll get access to more. So it's not unlimited scratch cards, and that's of course important to know. But let's talk a little bit more about this, how much you can earn after actually watching the payout proof. So let me now just jump and get paid from AppKarma, so you can see for yourself that it actually is a way to get paid before we talk about overall how much you can earn. So I've now jumped to the reward section. You can find that at the bottom, and then which reward you can choose from really depend on the country you live in. Right now you see the worldwide, but you can choose some of the other countries as well if you want to. And you can see that, for example, in the US, there's a lot of different options, different gift cards, but in general, you can get paid in PayPal cash. In most countries, you can see that was a worldwide option. But if you then choose Singapore, you can see there's a few options. If you choose Canada, there's other options. So it really does depend. But if we just go for the worldwide, you can see PayPal Cash is an option. I do love sites that or apps that pay in cash because PayPal is a great and easy way to get paid. So I will choose that option. And you can see the lowest I can get is $3, so a very low payout threshold. This is something they have lowered recently, and it's really great. It's very easy to get, but you just need to be aware that if you take it out already, then you can see how many points you need to earn. It's a bit more expensive. If you wait till you earn 10, it's a little bit cheaper, and if you wait till you've earned 100, that can take some time. I'll talk more about that in just a few seconds, but then it will give you the best value for your points there. But also you see you get a redeem bonus, so you actually do get points back, so you get a discount whenever you do that. That's really great. But anyways, I will choose 100 because I have actually enough points for that, so I have chosen that, and then I will click the redeem button at the bottom here, so I'll just click that, and then I will write my email address. I'll just blur that out. And once that has been done, I just click OK, and then you can see it will just process it. And then I got this 5,000 points redeem bonus there. I will just click that, and then I just have to wait. And usually in my experience it takes a day or so, but I will leave a screenshot on the screen where I also write exactly how long it took. You can see the screenshot is an email from PayPal that confirms the money did go into my account, so you can see that it actually does pay. But let's then talk about how much you can overall pay, and can you expect to earn $100 just by scratching and winning. So I just closed down the app now, and let's talk more about how much you can overall earn, because of course it looks cool that I withdraw $100, but that has taken me some time, and you will not get that just by scratching, because a part of getting the scratch card is also to do the other things, for example playing the games, which is the main way to earn inside AppKarma. But the reason I still make this video about it is because scratching is an option there that I myself overlooked, and that I know many other also overlook, but it's a great way to potentially earn a little bit extra. But if you want to use AppKarma, you should make sure to use the other earning options, the playing games, also to be able to earn more. And I know it's not just a scratch and win app, but I have tested many of those, and I have actually not found one that is really worth it. So that's why I want to show you this, because if you're interested in scratching and winning, and many people have asked me, then this is the best option that I have personally found. But you will not just earn $100 a day or anything like that. How much you will earn will of course depend on how much time and effort you put. And I also want to be completely transparent. Quite a bit of my earnings are also because I made a lot of videos about AppKarma, because I actually really do like it as an easy way to earn by playing. And quite a few people have joined through my invitation link, because they will also I have an exclusive VIP invitation link which will give you 500 points if you join. So many people have done that, and you're also welcome to do that if you want to join. I will leave it below so you can get the joining bonus, but at the same time I will also earn a small commission when you earn in there. AppKarma will pay that, and that is part of what I have earned. So if you just join it to just scratch, you will not earn a lot. If you join and also play, then you can quite quickly reach the payout threshold of $3. That will not take you long. And then if you want to earn $100 so you get the best value, yes, then that definitely will take some time and effort, and not something you should expect to do super fast. But of course that also depends how much time you spend, and also on the country you live in, because the number of different opportunities will vary from country to country. So to sum it all up, if you want to scratch and earn by using an app, there are not many great options, and I have tested many options, and AppKarma is actually one that gives the best option, even though it's not specifically for scratching and winning. But you should make sure to use some of the other earning options it offers also. If not, it will just not give enough earnings. But I hope this video helped you and gave you some inspiration. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to earn some extra money on the side online.